Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue when your robot does not return to charging dock. This may be because there are too many obstructions around the charging dock. Your dock has to be in a more open area. It cannot be surrounded by any obstructions because that may cause your vacuum robot to not return to its station. Also, you need to clean your dock's signaling area, so the whole area that communicates with the robot, and also the sensor on the robot itself. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.